Hey there, let's compare the process for setting a sequence in both Nuance Power PDF and Adobe Acrobat DC. Starting off in Adobe Acrobat, we'll go up to the Tools tab on the top of the screen, and then we'll scroll down to the Action Wizard. Now once we're here, we'll click New Action on this taskbar, and then we can select the actions we want to take place in our sequence. I'm going to have a watermark added, so I'll click that and then add it to the sequence. And then we can specify the settings of the watermark. So I'm going to do some text, and then click OK. And now I'll click Save to save this action, and I'll give it a name. Then I'll just press Save. Now let's compare the process to Nuance Power PDF. Here we are in Nuance Power PDF, and we're going to go up to the Advanced Processing tab, and then click on Sequencer. Now we'll click on New Sequence, and then give the sequence a name. Now we'll select the commands that we want to take place in the sequence. I'm going to add a watermark. And then I'll click Edit to change the specifics of the watermark. And then I'll click OK. And I have a few more options here. And then I will click OK. And the document sequence has been created. It's that simple.